I'm Sosa.
Hi, I'm Özlem.
And together we're
Differently Alike.
K-pop! K-pop?
K-pop.
K-pop. What are we watching today?
So, a lot of you guys have been requesting this song. I've already heard it.
Oh,
seen
really?
it. Yeah. I love it. It's a
really?
strong, it's a really good song. And the concept is really nice, so I think you will like it too.
How come, if you love it, how come this is the first time you're hearing this?
I don't know, because I feel like when my obsession with this song was, I think we didn't talk that much.
Oh, this is an old song?
It's not old. When was this released?
2020?
Oh no. I don't know.
Baby, we were deep planning.
But I don't know.
I think we were just so focused on getting the channel started.
Yeah, we weren't even like talking about K-pop releases or stuff, but I was really vibing to this song.
Okay.
And this music video.
Uncensored version?
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is the normal one, but uncensored. Okay. Let's go. Nature Girls.
Wait, what is the group name? Nature. Okay. Yo, the music doesn't match up. The imagery. The music is so hype, like the... It's the disconnect from me. What?
Just see it as spooky girls performing a song. See it like that.
I wish I had subs because...
Same.
Ooh. Yo, that shot was beautiful.
Why am I getting goosebumps as I know this song? I've heard it, I've seen it.
Oh wow. What is their thing with eyes? Hello? Ooh, that was gorgeous. Wow. Hello? No. I refuse. Hello. This is that was confusing. Imagine being in the club dancing to this song and all you can imagine is like needles flying into people's eyes while you're just vibing. I love it.
It didn't bother me.
Oh, it doesn't bother me. I love it. It's, of course. No, I love this.
Ah, okay.
Okay. It's just like way to confuse me. It's like I want to vibe to the song, but I'm creeped out by the imagery, and I love it. There's nothing better than being like, ooh, I'm scared, but I love it.
I'm intrigued.
I'm intrigued. I wonder. Wait, so this is their. Is this a new group? Is this an old group? Is it their first comeback?
This is not their first comeback. I don't know how young, how old. I don't know.
Okay.
Anything about them, honestly.
Nature fandom, can you please leave us in the comment section below, like, who are they? What other songs do we need to listen to? Is the horror concept something that is part of their brand, or is it just no?
Because I know their song before this one. It was like Oopsie?
And it wasn't
something. It wasn't.
Oh no! I thought we were just getting like a horror group or something. That would have been nice.
Maybe they will go this way.
Maybe they're going this route. You mean?
Maybe.
This was their last comeback, or
I don't follow the. I'm so sorry. I can't give you any information.
I mean, this is the whole thing with like when you do like when you have a song and it's like mismatching music video or dance. Like you get super intrigued as to like what is their deal. I want to know more. So yeah, disappointed. That Özlem doesn't know my K-pop encyclopedia.
I'm sorry. I miss a few pages sometimes.
Yes, somebody ripped the pages out of me.
Yeah, exactly.
Or cut them out. Like, what are the lyrics? Like, maybe it's like in the lyrics that there's like a connection. Like, you're not in my life anymore. I need a pair of eyes, but you took them with you, and now I don't have eyes or something. I don't know. Wow, that was pretty dope. Okay, so yeah, definitely leave in the comment section below like whatever we need to know. What is the fandom name? Who are the people that stand out? Who are the visuals? Everyone's a visual. What does everybody do? What are the songs that we need to listen to? Will they or will they not continue their horror concept? I hope they do, because that's dope. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next.
And as always, like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, and show us some love. Bye!
어딜 거역해봐 내가 앞에 있잖아 딴 생각하는 게 다 눈에 보이는데